10-4, he's right there. Give us 10-33. Ask for 10. Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Get on the fucking ground right now. Get on the fucking ground. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Where is he? You see him? You see him? Get on your fucking face!
Next, you'll see a portion of the video footage captured by Officer Shirk's body-worn camera. This footage captures Officer Shirk's arrival on scene, the officer's verbal interactions with Saddam pointing the gun at the officers, and the shooting.
10-4, he's right there. Give us 10-33. Shots fired! Drop the gun now! Where is he? You see him? You see him?
Yep, right here. Let's go.
Get on your fucking face!
I have a dispatcher on this channel.
Hold on!
Let me see your fucking hands!
Blind. Where's the gun?
Let me see your fucking
Gun's
hands
right here.
now.
Gun's right here.
Fucking hands is right here. Put your fucking hands out.
When it's safe to do so, give me an update. Make sure you get rescue rolling.
Juliet 460, we have shots fired on multiple officers. You cuff, you cuff. You fucking move, I'm gonna blast your head off.
Status on our officers.
Let's go. Cuff.
Safe to do so.
Do not fucking move. Do not move!
Do not move! India 649, we're taking one into custody right now.
Stop moving!
He's struggling? I got him. I got him. Hold it here. Go.
When you can, give me a status on officers. They're 77, along with our subject.
Hey bro, where are you hit at? Where are you hit at? Where are you hit? Where are you hit at? Hey, let me grab a med bag. India 649.
Finally, you will see a portion of the video footage captured by Officer Melton's body-worn camera. Officer Melton's body-worn camera captured his arrival on scene, Saddam removing his hand from his pocket and pointing his gun at officers, and the subsequent shooting. Additionally, this footage includes the officers taking Saddam into custody and rendering emergency medical aid until paramedics arrive. Due to Officer Melton activating his body-worn camera after the shooting, there is no audio for the initial 30 seconds of his video footage.
I have a dispatcher.
Roll on your face!
Hold on!
Stay right there. Get on the ground.
Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your fucking hands right now! Put your fucking hands out!
When it's safe to do so, give me an update. Make sure you get
I got you. I got you. I'm gonna get on the radio. Juliet 460, we have shots fired by multiple officers.
You fucking move, I'm gonna blast your head off.
status on our officers. You're safe to do so.
Do not move!
Do not move! India 649, we're taking one into custody right now.
Hey, coming up to you now.
He probably took you.
Well, y'all can give me a status on officers. They're 77, along with our subject.
Holding legs. Hey, bro, where are you hit at? Where are you hit at? Where are you hit? Where are you hit at? Hey, let me grab a med bag.
India 649, start rescue 267, Bravo Mike, shot on the leg. All.
No, I'm good. Hey, here, bag. Here, gloves, bag. Yep.
Hey, get some scissors. I got some.
Hey, hey, right here.
Oh, perfect.
Cut.
Okay, we got one problem mic down with like contact being trying to collect all the victims and we're 77 now.
Stay inside. Hey, secure that. Hey, watch that. Stay watching that.
You need scissors still?
We got him.
I'm trying to let y'all talk.
Somewhere on fire. Hey, you got tourniquet?
India 649, please got one got you, one to the left leg.
There you go. Pull it over.
Left hip.
720, I'm going 27.